What's going on, you guys? DZRCKS here, back with another how-to. This time I'm going to teach you guys about arm isolations. If you're new here, consider subscribing for plenty more content just like this, dropping knowledge, how-tos, Musicality Mondays, and plenty more just like that to help you grow as a dancer and have fun with your boy along the way. With that said, let's get right into it. Alright, so I just want to give a quick breakdown on arm isolations and how you can start to think about them and actually use them. So with arm isolations, it's very simple. You want to think about each section of your arm broken up by joints, okay? So we're going to start with our wrist, then we're going to go to our elbow, then we're going to go to our shoulder, okay? Most people would think that the arm is just one part, but it's many different sections made up into one thing. So we're isolating just our wrist. So what you want to do is you want to cut it off right here. Boom, just grab it. And all you're going to do is just isolate your hand. Try to keep your wrists and everything as still as possible and in place, and just move your hand, okay? So if you move away your hand, boom, you should be able to keep this isolated while keeping this entire thing not moving. So if you want to do anything like that, then this should just stay in place here, and then the only thing that should be moving is here. So we're isolating our hand, okay? That's the first isolation. Next one you want to do is you want to scoot it back to your elbow, okay? Now you've unlocked this entire thing. Now lock up your wrist and just move this entire piece as one here, okay? So you can do whatever here. So you're using just these two isolations here just to cause different things to happen, and that's just to cause different things to happen. So I'm isolating my hand, and I'm just isolating here, and I'm picking how I kind of want to do it and just freestyling around and just having fun with it. So third isolation past that is obviously here. You're going to use the entire arm. Boom, 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 do, do, do. So whatever it is that you want to do, now you've unlocked this entire part. So even when you're here, you're a robot, and here, you can come up and use your whole arm, just a little bit, comb your hair, whatever it is, bring it down, you know what I mean? So you have a lot of freedom to do whatever with those three parts, but being able to just have the mindset to isolate each one, okay, is what you're really trying to think about when it comes to isolations. Isolations are just about using individual parts while other things are not being used. So you're isolating one part of your body, you're isolating the movement to one part of your body. Okay, that's what isolations are, okay? So going back over that again, you're starting out with your wrist, boom, here, you can do whatever you want to do. You can throw in your fingers, yada yada yada, it's up to you. Boom, now up to your elbow, here, you can move whatever. That's up to you. Now you can use your whole arm going up to your shoulder, and here, boom, boom, whatever you want to do. Just use those isolations to come up with new things, and it's just the same on this hand, so you can do it together, do, woo, woo, whatever you want to do. Figure it out, have some fun. Those are arm isolations and how you can break them up using your wrist, elbow, and your shoulder. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have more questions, put them in the comment section. I will get to them. Let me know also what you guys want the next how-to to be, and give me a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give me a like anyway. Whatever, be nice. With that said, if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and do that. I'd appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.